Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with DHgate for dropshipping, my review sourcing from China. DHgate for dropshipping is essentially a method of fulfilling orders by purchasing products from DHgate, a large online marketplace primarily featuring Chinese suppliers, and shipping them directly to your customers. It's targeted towards entrepreneurs, especially those interested in e-commerce and dropshipping, who want to source products at lower costs. Key features include a vast product catalog, competitive pricing, and direct integration with various e-commerce platforms. Their website provides detailed information on how to get started with dropshipping, highlighting the potential cost savings and the wide range of products available. DHgate emphasizes the convenience and speed of their platform, connecting buyers with a vast network of suppliers. While DHgate doesn't explicitly advertise no hidden fees or no contracts for dropshipping itself, the individual product listings and supplier terms dictate those aspects. The platform acts as a connector, leaving pricing negotiations largely to the buyer and seller. You'll need to research and compare different suppliers to find the best deals. Availability is generally quite broad, as DHgate boasts a massive selection, but it depends on the specific product you are looking for. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using DHgate for dropshipping. Getting started was relatively straightforward. I created a DHgate account and started browsing the product catalog. The interface is fairly user-friendly, though navigating the sheer volume of products can feel a bit overwhelming initially. I focused my search on phone cases and found a variety of options at different price points. I contacted a couple of suppliers directly through the platform to inquire about shipping times and minimum order quantities. The platform itself was fairly responsive. I experienced no significant lag or technical issues. However, communicating with some suppliers proved a little challenging due to language barriers. Using the built-in translation tool helped, but it wasn't perfect. I ordered a few sample phone cases to evaluate the quality and shipping times. While the quality was decent for the price, the shipping took about 3 weeks to arrive, which is a definite consideration for dropshipping. I also had a quick question regarding shipping costs, and Gate's customer support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by the wide variety of products available on DHgate, and the platform's search filters made finding specific items relatively easy. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to communicate directly with suppliers. One minor drawback was the inconsistency in supplier responsiveness, and navigating the shipping options could be confusing at times. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with DHgate for sourcing potential products, but I would recommend thoroughly vetting suppliers and ordering samples before committing to large quantities for dropshipping. That's my overview of DHgate for dropshipping. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.